Hello and welcome to Festool TV. My name is Allan. Here at Festool, we call our range of sliding compound mitre saws the KAPEX range. The KS88 is placed nicely in the middle of the range. The KS120 is designed around extreme finesse and precision, perfect for the second fix craft person. The KS88 is very similar to the KS120, but is focused towards first fix construction applications. At Festool, it all starts with extraction. On the extraction port of the KAPEX, you can fit a 28 or 32mm hose on the inside of the local exhaust vent, or to achieve even better extraction, you can fit a short 36mm hose on the outside of the port. The large dust shroud is great at capturing the waste. It can be flipped backwards to allow for more freedom. The cutting capacity of the KS88 at 90 degrees is 88mm in height and 305 in width. The horizontal bevel can be unlocked by lifting this lever here and pressing the release button. On the left of the saw, you have a range of up to 50 degrees with presets of 15, 22.5, 30 and 45 degrees. The cutting capacity at 45 degrees is 88mm height by 215 in width. On the right, you have the same presets but with the extra range of up to 60 degrees. The lock-off is very positive, securing the KAPEX on the angle you need, even if you are slightly off a preset. This is achieved by pushing the locking lever down. There are also side extensions which can be loosened and tightened here. To provide a little more support to the material you are cutting, the back fences can be adjusted to offer better support to the material, and they can also be removed if they're in the way. The clamp is great for holding the material securely in place and can be positioned either to the left or right of the KAPEX. To move the clamp, pivot it around to the back, pull it up and move it over to the other side. The KS120 and 88 have the same height cutting capacity of 88mm, but the 120 gets its name by having a special 120 mode. You can engage 120 mode by swiveling this lever down and then pushing the saw head back to lock it in place. You now have the cutting capacity of 120mm high slats at the back of the saw. The vertical bevel is achieved by opening the clamping lever here. Underneath the clamping lever is a selector dial. You have three progressive options. The first setting is any angle between 0 and 45 degrees on the left. The second setting allows you to set any angle between 0 and 45 degrees on the left or the right. Or the third option is to adjust any angle between 47 degrees on both sides. Here there is a difference between the KS120 and the 88. They both have the same selector and range of angles, but the KAPEX 120 has balance springs, so the saw will hold at a position. You also have a fine adjuster for making micro calibrations to the angle position for locking off the clamping lever. On the KS88, you must hold and support the cutting head at the angle you want before locking off. The trenching function is engaged with this lever here. By pulling it forwards, adjustment can be made by turning the lever clockwise to reduce the cutting depth, or anti-clockwise to deepen the cut with adjustment capacity of 0 to 45mm. You can also lock off the saw here if you do not want it to use the sliding function. There is also the transport lock here to nest the cutting head down. The MMC control is here on the KAPEX. We call this multi-material control to highlight the importance of changing the speed of the KAPEX to suit the material you are cutting. And as well as adjusting the speed, it is important to remember to use the appropriate blade. The spindle lock is here, and the Allan key to change the blade is nested in the back, where there is also a cable winder for the mains cable, which also doubles as a convenient carry handle. In the KAPEX range, there is a winning combination that is unique to the KS120, which is the double laser and angle finder. A fantastic design feature shared across all the Festool sliding mitre saws is the fixed front supporting arms, so you can place the KAPEX against the wall. For the cutting capacity, the KAPEX takes up very little room. This makes the KAPEX range a perfect solution for working in small, enclosed environments. The KS88 has the same quality and reliability you have come to expect from the Festool family. With full wave electronics in the KAPEX, helps to ensure a nice smooth startup, constant speed even under load, and thermal overload protection. One of the most valuable benefits you can get from the KAPEX 88 is the Festool warranty all-inclusive package. With 3 years free servicing and repairs, 10 years spare parts guarantee, and 3 years theft protection. Register your new KS88 today on the Festool Work app to receive these benefits. My name is Allan. Thank you for watching Festool TV.